Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment so processing is fast and predictable. Install the updated snap clip, then open your project and import the source file. This reduces format conversion later. Once done, set precise in /out points on the timeline and choose an export preset like H. 264 1080p because that balances quality and file size. Make sure to enable GPU acceleration to speed rendering. This matters when you batch multiple clips or apply effects. You now dive into the complex middle steps where precision counts. Trim with the magnetic snap tool and use one-frame nudges to align cuts. This keeps motion consistent. Then apply auto color correction to normalize exposure and use the stabilizer only when needed, because it can crop the image. For audio, enable one-click ducking so dialogue stays loud over music. Once done, place markers and transitions and link related clips to preserve timing when you move sections. You finish by exporting and verifying the final file to ensure it meets delivery requirements. Export with your chosen preset and enable 2-pass for consistent bitrate quality when needed. Then test playback on the target device, inspecting audio levels, lip sync, and visual artifacts. If anything goes wrong, make sure to clear the app cache and restart SnapClip, update your GPU drivers, or revert to the last autosave. These steps fix most glitches quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.